So I'm going to highlight this next one, unique labels for landmarks. It says landmarks must have unique labels. Action, review the labeling of 7 landmarks to ensure that the accessible name of each landmark is unique. So I'm going to do a search for this to see what strategies we can use to fix this. I'm going to jump to the Chrome browser and do a quick search, and I'm going to pop open this first result, unique labels for landmarks. Now I'm not familiar with this website, but let's see if the techniques listed here will be useful. So it says, make sure the label text content is unique from other landmark labels on the page. So I'm not exactly sure, but I think this means if there's a label HTML tag for the landmark element, and we don't have that right now, but it says we can use ARIA label attribute to provide additional labeling information to describe the content of the landmark. It says we can also use ARIA labeled by to reference an ID of something else that has the content of the label. So now the only landmark that we're reusing throughout our page is the navigation landmark. And I think we should be able to use the ARIA label in order to label these individually. So I'm going to go to our page and I'm going to do a search for opening navigation tags. So here we go. And let's add an ARIA label. So this is our footer social nav. We'll call this social navigation. I'm going to jump to the next nav. So I think we can call this the main footer navigation. So we'll add an ARIA label, main footer navigation. And then for this next nav, we can call it secondary footer navigation. Then we'll jump to the next nav, which is in the header, and we'll call this main navigation. We'll save this, jump back to Firefox and refresh. And now it looks like we're passing on every point here in the landmarks section. Great. I'm going to hit back. And now let's